Hello, I am Connor and I am going to do my first video about this helicopter, a rescue helicopter that does some features, and I will do them now. So first it is this that comes down if you really can see it. Wait, where is it? I think it's in here. Just a minute guys, just a minute. Sorry about that. As I was saying, that comes up and down. And these doors open like these to put some stuff in, but I haven't really got any stuff for the hook or the door. So, and there's another feature that you might not know, but it's still a feature, and that opens to put some people inside. And don't know if these are for the buttons. Wait, just a minute, guys. Sorry about that. And this does this. I should really do that. So, like, I don't know if it's aiming, but so wait. No, does that and that. So that's the end. And just a minute, and that does move too, and the wheels move eventually. And this propel turns by hand, it doesn't do it with that. So that's the end of my videos. Bye kids. Bye.